Where I live in America, I have to pay to have my laundry done. And today, I want to bring you along and show you how I load the card, use both the washer and the drying machine. Yeah, so welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Agatha. Channel name is Agatha's_diaries. Come with me. So I'm going to check how much is in this card, and then depending on what we have here, so you push the card there, it reads card. So there is no money in that card. So what I have to do is I'm going to load money here. I'm going to load $10, and then I'll come and start my laundry. Okay. Loading the card is not very far from where I live, so I just went to the machine, which is located a few meters, and here I am going to load the card. So you're going to see how I do it, and that is it for now. Also know that not everybody uses the public machines. There are people who have their private machines that they do their own laundry in their houses. Now I'm going to load this card. So you insert the card here like it says. It shows you what balance is there, which is 0. You see the 0 there? So it says insert bill. So this is where we insert the bill, down here. So I'm going to insert the $10 bill. I'm going to insert the bill. There it goes. So it's going to load, and you can see it's loaded the $10 there. So with that I'm done. So I'm going to pull out my card, which is there, and then I can go do my laundry. I've just put a notification that I have a package delivered for me, so I'll be picking up the package shortly after showing you what to do. I've loaded the card. Let's check and see. Bring it close. Now we have $10 in loaded there. So I'm going to get my laundry, my clothes, and put in here. Okay. I'm going to get my clothes and put in there. So let me get that clothes. On weekends, the laundry room can be so busy. But today, being a weekday, there's nothing much going on here. I'm going to pour the detergent here. Then I'm going to put my clothes in. Close this. Close that. Come close. This is the start button. This is the start button, but this one is worn out. So like you see on this one, here, the start button is always green. So for this one, it's worn out, but this is where we start it from here. So I'm gonna press. It has taken out the $2, and it's going to take 30 minutes to wash. It's still like 30 minutes washing. So I'll pull out my card, and then it's blinking. It's gonna start washing now. So eventually you see the load turn. There you go. It's gonna wash. So that is it. So after washing, we have the dryers here. It's gonna take 30 minutes to wash. This one was washing, but somebody was washing here. It's all done. You can see. They don't need to be open because the laundry is done washing. Then these are the dryers here. That is a dryer. This is a dryer here. But the dryer costs more dollars to dry. You see. And that one is a dryer. So we have 3 drying machines here. and 3 washing machines. 3 drying machines and 3 washing machines, like you see. So that is how it is. So they're done with their washing. After 30 minutes, I'll come back and check and transfer them into the dryer, and that will be it. So I'm headed out to go and pick up my package before it's taken. Sometimes we have people who help themselves to other people's packages, so the earlier I pick it up, the better. So here I am getting my package, checking around. There, and there it is. So I just have to take out my package. This is my package. And then, yeah, just to be sure. I've lost packages several times. So I'm going to check on my laundry once more. I'll just leave the package there and pick it up when I'm going upstairs. So now the laundry is done. So it shows you open door, so that you can remove off your clean laundry. And then there it shows you, it's all done. So my laundry is done. I'm going to open it and then pick out my stuff, then put it to the dryer. You see, this dryer is empty here. So this is the dryer I'm going to use. I have to check this is a filter. I check if there's anything here, nothing. And then you see there are 2 dryers here. Now this one is for the upper one, this one here. This one is for this one here, like you see the arrow showing. And then this one is for the one below. This one here is for the one below. Insert the card there for the one below. And here. So somebody is doing laundry down here and is left with 19 minutes to complete the laundry. So for me, I'm going to use this one. This is what I'm going to pay, $2.25. And then it will tell me how long it's gonna take to wash it. So let me get my laundry out and then continue. Yep. Okay. All empty. So I'm gonna close. Then the next person coming to use will have to start all over. So it gets back to the $2 and that's it. So I'm going to insert my card here for this dryer. So I'm going to insert my card here and then it will chop out this amount of money. Then I can, so you facing the arrow up, we insert the card inside here. But before that, I need to close the dryer. And then I insert the card. It will tell me what my balance is. My balance is $8. So it's going to take off that. If I say start, it's going to chop off the money. 60 minutes is the time it's going to take washing. It's just taking off the money. So I'm headed to pick up my package and take it with me. I hate climbing the stairs. It really tires me a lot. But you got no choice. I just have to keep going. Sometimes you feel like sitting down somewhere and resting for a while before you get upstairs. But anyhow, that is life. So I'll see you later. So I'm back to pick up my laundry. And I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things. You see the balance left. Bye, and thanks for watching. We took away $2.25. So the balance left is $5.75. Okay, $5.75 is what is left. So that is for next time. So now my laundry is done. It's dried up. So I'm just gonna get it out and put it in my basket.